How you guys doing? Today we're going to be tie-dyeing some shoes. We're going to be doing these shoes for our little man. We got these from Walmart. Paid $10 for these. They look sort of like the Vans. So if you guys want to try to customize Van type shoes before you guys try the real ones, these were only $10. And we're going to try to make these orange to make them look like DJ Lance rock shoes. Alright, if you don't know who that is, he's from Yo Gabba Gabba, a show that my son loves. We're going to be using the orange tie-dye. We got this from Walmart. It's the apricot orange. Only costs about $5. So if you guys want to try it out, go to Walmart. Alright, we also got the bucket filled up. Read the bottle. You gotta have the temperature, should be around 200 Fahrenheit or greater. And put 1 teaspoon of dish detergent, soap. With these canvas shoes, we want to pre-soak them first. So we went ahead and did that, rinsed them off with water, got them all soaked up real good. Then we moved on to the next step. Once pre-soak is complete, I went ahead and grabbed the RIT dye that I bought, the orange one. I ended up only using half of the bottle because it's only 2 little small shoes, so I didn't want to use the whole bottle for that. Mixed everything up real well. Alright, here we are putting the shoes in. They wanted to keep floating to the top, but our son gave us an idea to put another pot in there to keep them from floating to the top, and we let it soak about an hour. Just remember to take the insoles out if you don't want the insoles dyed. And here's after they're done. I took them out, went ahead and rinsed them off. You want to rinse them with hot water and then go to cold water after that. Here I use a small Q-tip to use the acetone and spread the acetone out. It only has a small part that needed acetone. I also got these 2 colored leather acrylic from Hobby Lobby, if you guys want to go there. Right here I'm taking the Q-tip with acetone and just cleaning off the part where I'm going to be painting. And right here I'm painting it white. I want to give it a base coat, so that's why I'm going white. I want to say I gave it 1 to 2 coats and let it dry. I use the hair dryer to let it dry and help the drying process faster. And that's it. I mean, I could have added another coat, but I was happy with the results right here. So I moved on to the yellow. Right here I'm putting the yellow on, and you can tell that that base coat helped out a lot. If you want the yellow to really pop and be real vibrant, you want to give it a nice base coat. Just because it's a darker color, so you want to go with a white first and then move on to the yellow. And I gave it a couple coats of yellow. I did it on both sides and on both pairs of shoes using the blower dryer to help it out. And of course I use Angelus acrylic finisher. I chose the matte type. Got this off of Amazon. If you want, I'll put a link below. I went ahead and applied, I want to say 2 coats of that over the yellow just to help seal it, give it that factory finish that they normally come with, that I removed with the acetone. This part is pretty important, so it's durable, so you definitely don't want to skip that step, getting a finisher, and I chose the Angelus one. Alright, and here is the finished product after they were done drying. This is our first time using a RIT dye, and we think it came out great. We think it came out, the orange and the yellow really came out looking nice, especially for our first time customizing anything. Our son loves them. We think we did a good job. We definitely want to do more shoe customs. We have a couple Air Force Ones we want to try and a couple Walmart shoes that we're going to end up customizing. Definitely stay tuned to those. Let us know what you guys think about this one. Let us know if you guys are going to try it on your own. Definitely tag us. We want to see what you guys do. Also, consider subscribing. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys. Until next time, just remember, anybody can customize. If we can do it, you can do it. Alright?